These slides are on the alternative approach to go back in. So what is selective repeat? Selective repeat is a general strategy for handling errors when frames are pipelined. When selective repeat is used, a bad frame that is received is discarded, but any good frames received after the discarded frame are accepted and buffered. When the sender times out, only the oldest unacknowledged frame is retransmitted. A problem with selective repeat is that it could require a lot of data link layer memory if the window is large. Here is an example. Frames 0 and 1 are correctly received, but frame 2 is lost. So when frame 3 is received, a negative acknowledgement, NAK, is sent, and frame 3 is buffered. Frames 4 and 5 are also buffered. When frame 2 is correctly resent, the data link layer has frames 2, 3, 4, and 5 and can send them in the correct order. This picture shows that, with frames 0 and 1 being correctly sent, but when frame 2 is sent, there's an error. So when frames 3, 4, and 5 are sent, they are buffered, and then when frame 2 is resent, it has 3, 4, and 5 and can resend them in the correct order. This is half of the code that can be used to run this method, with comments explaining what each part does. And this is the second half, also with comments explaining what it does. So my question is, using selective repeat, what happens to frame 2 if frame 1 is not correctly received? The answer is that frame 2 is held and buffered until frame 1 is correctly resent.